vision from another world, silent, abandoned, yet strikingly alive in memory and spirit. Once filled with life, its streets now lie empty, its stone buildings weathered by time. A series of landslides and earthquakes forced its people to flee, leaving behind a ghost town suspended between sky and earth. But Craco is far from forgotten. Its haunting beauty draws visitors from around the world, captivated by the echoes of the past that still whisper through its ruins. It has become a symbol of resilience, of loss, and of the enduring soul of a place. A setting for films, a canvas for dreamers, Craco invites you to walk through time, to listen to the silence, and to feel the weight and wonder of the